everyone! My name is Courtney and today I'm going to be teaching you about lipogenesis, which is also known as fatty acid synthesis. So, to first understand what lipogenesis is, it helped me break down the word itself into its roots to better understand and remember what exactly it does. So first there's lipo, which is short for lipid, and that translates to mean fat. The next part of the word genesis translates to mean creation. So lipogenesis is essentially the creation of fat. And this process takes place in the liver. So now the key here is to understand that lipogenesis is when fat is produced from non-fat substances. So things like carbohydrates, amino acids, which are proteins, and alcohol, when consumed in excessive amounts, are converted into fatty acids. It's also important to remember that this process only really happens when these substrates, specifically carbohydrates, are consumed in an abundant amount. Once our bodies take the nutrients and energy that it requires from the foods that we eat, the leftover amounts are what causes the process of lipogenesis to occur. Fatty acids are stored in our body, and they're kind of like the building blocks of fat. Most of the fat is stored as triglycerides, and when these triglycerides form together, they make a fatty acid chain. So the book and the lecture also made it really clear that if it can form acetyl-CoA, then they can form triglycerides because they form together to make the fatty acid chains. So then to complete this process, the newly formed triglycerides are released by the liver as VLDLs, which mean very low density lipoproteins. Then it's circulated throughout the bloodstream, enabling the fat to be created and stored. So eventually, the fatty acids are removed and simply stored as body fat. Okay? I hope this simple explanation of lipogenesis helps, and have a great rest of the semester. Bye!